Hey fam, how you doing? It's Lisa with Onlinebusinessapp, and I'm doing an unboxing. I got something today. Got my ring light on so you can see me. And oh yeah, I got my Bull Runner shirt on. I don't think I've shown you this on me yet. Let me pick up the phone. See, this is my pink Bull Runner shirt, and I have a turquoise one too. And I got my my Sexy Nerds sweatpants on, and my sciatica Be Active thing, leg brace, or whatever it's called, leg wrap, because it's been bothering me. So let's see what I got today. Oh okay, I know what this is. Is it the track pants? Remember I got the track pants that are like rainbow colored, and they have the matching sweatshirt and the matching windbreaker, and then I got the blue ones too, the pants, not with the windbreaker though. Now I got black ones. See? I love these. Black will go with anything. Cool. And they're, I think they're like nylon, and then they have a mesh on the inside, which I think is so like if you sweat, it doesn't all stick to you and stuff. What size did I get? Small, I think. I'm not sure what size I got. Medium, small. I don't see it. And I don't remember, but I know I got the right size because I had two other pairs. And I love these bags. I save these. I can't bear to throw them out. They're like perfect bags. They're Ziploc bags. They got the Sexy Nerds logo. And they're good for packing things in because they're really like, it's not just thin plastic. It's really good plastic, but it has holes so it can breathe. So like if you store clothes, you know, like winter clothes away or summer clothes away, it's good for that. Or what else? I mean, basically you could put anything in it, but it's especially good for clothes because if you have clothes in a sealed bag, I think it can get kind of dingy, like if it's stored for a long time. I mean, I don't know. I like them. I'll use them for something. So this is my ring light, so you can check it out. I think I showed you before. Okay, well that's it for today. I just wanted to do a quick video. It's like 11:30 at night on Monday night. Oh, and Spooky came to say hello. You saying hello, Spooky? Huh? Spooky Lou? Spooky Lou who? Okay, so that's it for today, Monday night, and I shall talk to you tomorrow. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and a like if you're so inclined, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys.